Good afternoon, everyone. So, this is additional class for a class that canceled this morning. So, today we will discuss about Spark session and SQL. This is a platform where you can run a query, SQL structured query language on a parallel processing. So Spark session is unified entry point for Spark application. It was introduced in a Spark 2.0. It acts as connector to all Spark underlying functionalities, including RDDs, data frames, and dataset, providing unified interface to work in structured data processing. You don't need to specifically define a function like reduce or something or filter. So if you are already familiar with SQL, so just use SQL. Simple as that. Yeah, so it's simplified. So yeah, we don't need to use SQL context or Hive context or streaming context, but simplifying into a Spark session. So it enables a user to perform various operations like reading data from various sources, including SQL query, creating the frames dataset, and performing action, distribute database dataset efficiently. So yeah, it's a distributes processing, distribute system, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, its Spark session includes four APIs: Spark context, SQL context, streaming context, and Hive context. Yeah. In this topic, we focus on SQL context because it's more simple. Yeah. Yeah, the step is very simple. Spark session builder, master local, app name, collab. Depend on your preference, but local is must be local. It means you are not on the distribute system. If you are on distribute system, change the local into IP address, and app name is up to you. And it's a port and get or create same as per context. Uh, Yeah, Spark Session Builder returns Spark Session class, this builder, Spark Session master, app name, and get upgrade method, Spark Session Builder. Master, this allow, connect to run models, local standalone cluster, methods, yarn that we will discuss in subject of big data next semester. Yeah. You can directly read CSV, video game cells, inter-schema through. So it's inter-schema through means you can automatic schema based on data type. For example, you can define integer as integer automatically without you define its data type. Header is true means first line is header. Yeah. So they have show shell format and two pandas format. Basically it's similar to pandas. Yeah, that's very user friendly, programmer friendly for big data. Yeah. Yeah, to do SQL, just run a df. Yeah, df that we have defined before. This df data frame, and then create or replace them view with any name that you prefer. Then here we go. You just run a query. For example, select everything from video game, Figi, where gender equal action and platform equal PS2 and year bigger than 2005, order by year ascending. Yeah, it's very human, very human language. Yeah, I don't even need to explain it to you, right? Yeah, because it's very simple. Yeah, so you are selecting a game with genre action in a platform PS2 and bigger than 2005 after release after 2005, and you order it by year, ascending from smaller year to bigger year. Yeah, from oldest to newest actually. Yeah, that's all about slide. Yeah, yeah, we don't need a lot of theory. Let's we move to specific, yeah, specific codes. Yeah, so yeah, this will I explain later about Spark how to run a query like in a Spark context. That will be your final project for this class. So let's we move to this. Yeah, its link is same as last week, PySpark.ipnb. So let's we run like what is discussed on the slide. So PySpark, SQL, Spark session, either test, append, get, or create. So you don't need to declare a master actually. Yeah, just run it. Yeah, no problem. Video game sales. Yeah. Maybe you will get error because you didn't upload videogamesale.csv. So where we can get videogamesale.csv? Simple. Just Figi sales CSV. Type this. Yeah, and you move to Kaggle. Yeah, and here we go. You download it, then upload it here. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah. I will upload another video about describing the final project. Yeah. Okay. You download here, then upload here. Just drag and drop from your Windows Explorer or anything. If you're using Mac, I forgot what the name. Yeah. Or using Linux. Yeah. In Linux last time. Nautilus, I don't know, forget. Okay, then you can do the F dot show. Yeah, it's basically printing. This is header, what I call header. Rank of the game, name, title of the game, platform of the game, year, release year of the game, genre of the game, publisher, Nintendo. Yeah, and a lot of uh, sales in North America, sales in Europe, sell in Japan, share in other country, and global sales. So yeah, but it's not good. Not doesn't look good. If you want to more better looking review, you can use two pandas. You know here. So yeah, and you can print out the summary. Summary is statistic of the data. Yeah. 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 Okay. Source data. So means is yeah means total divided by number of data. Standard deviation is yeah average of um, absolute value of a means. Yeah. Uh, yeah means minus every data. You know. Yeah. Something like that. Ya, jadi sorry, nggak kebayang bahasa Inggris. Ini rata-rata selisih nilai rata-rata dengan ini ya, apa namanya, tiap variabel, tapi nilainya absolut gitu ya. Seperti itu. Jadinya di sini bisa kita lihat semakin besar standar deviasi, semakin itu ya, semakin bervariasi data tersebut range ya gitu. So more bigger standard deviations, it means more variance that happen to the column. Minimum value, maximum value is median. Like if you order from smallest to bigger, then you divide one what the number between 50%, 25%, 75%. So it's if you divide the half into a half again on the smaller, that's 25, and if you divide the half bigger half, into two part. The between variable value will be 25%. You know, median and submedian. You have learned it in senior high school. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you can do parallelizations. Yeah. From seeing there. Yeah. Yeah, this is a variation. Is a variation. I won't run it because it will, yeah, make. So this is how you add a spark context and context parallelize and converting to a RDD. Yeah, from here, RDD. You can create a RDD from here, and you can make so yeah, so this when you want to convert a list into a data frame, spark data frame, so data frame. And this, if you want to convert a list into a list, this is a list, or sorry, it's this dictionary, like a JSON, and is Panda data frame into a Spark data frame. So yeah, it's different between Pandas data frame and Spark data frame. Yeah. So PySpark.sql Spark session atau this example, when you doesn't want to use interschema and you want to define each type of data, so you can define like a string type, integer type. Name is string, age is integer, something like that. And yeah, you need to import one by one, and you can create the frame alias, string type, integer type, string type, integer type. So you don't need this, and this for your final project. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can directly actually move here. Yeah, but it's my task to describe to you. So yeah, print schema. Yeah, print schema information. Name dot show. Yeah, it's used to print name, just name, and you can run a filter from here. Filter from here. Like if you want to select data that not American sale is bigger than 20 million dollar, and Europe also bigger than $20 million. Yeah, something. Yeah, it must be something like this. Ya, harus ada kurung buka kurung tutup tambahan ya. So, jadi ini kalau dihapus error ya, kurung buka ini wajib ini. Ya. So it must happen here. Yeah. If you delete this, you got error, something like that. So yeah. So this is the result of the query. And yeah, this is def show. It is showing all data. Print schema. This is print schema to define yeah, data type of each column or feature, whatever. Integer, its rank is integer, name is string, etc. And it can be null. Yeah, so some data is null. For example, games that doesn't sold in Japan, for example, Mortal Kombat. And yeah, so yeah, this is only printing name, and this is query result, filter result. Yeah, and you can use group by, and count show. Yeah, so counting, it means counting each gender. Yeah, counting its genre. Yeah, yeah, counting its genre. For example, how many adventure game? Oh, yeah, this one. How many sport game? This one, 2,346, something like that. Yeah, you can change it to platform. Yeah, yeah. PC Master Race. PC Master Race it's 960, and PS2 a lot of game in PS2 because graphic is not so good. So yeah, the more good, yeah, the better graphic, it means a developer actually require a lot of time to develop a better graphic. Yes, that's why less game when graphic become a better. Yeah. But I don't know because AI contributes to yeah efficiency of developing a graphic by scanning real person face, for example. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, this is a important part that require on your panel project using a query. Yeah. So you can type anything. The f.create replace temp view. So by running this code, you mean you can call the data frame by Fiji, you know. So you can run a query that very human language. Select everything from video game Fiji, where not American is bigger than 10. So it's yeah more user friendly or programmer friendly than this, right? Because it's SQL. Everyone love SQL. Yeah, yeah. SQL is good. Yeah, good. You know, something like that. So this is not American sales is yeah bigger than 20, 10, 10 million. Yeah, 10 million. 10 million. Yeah. Okay, $10 million. Don't forget $10 million. Yeah. So yeah. And you can global sales bigger than one and lower name. Yeah. Yeah. This is important point because query is case sensitive. Yeah. So lower name like auto, so you can get. Yeah. Yeah. Video games that blamed by American government for school shooting. So gun doesn't kill people, but people kill people. So just ban video games, not the gun. You know, the stupid government. I think. Yeah. So this, yeah, you can get. So you can write CSV result. Oh yeah, and you can get output.csv. Yeah, success. So yeah, the result is similar as Hadoop. That's what it is. Yeah, this is the result. Okay, so you can save it into a CSV. Okay, that's all about uh, this today's class streaming. Yeah, and I will upload another video, but sorry in Indonesia because yeah, it's include class B. Okay, thank you. See you next week.